Hi, beautiful people. You all should take a look at your favorite chef tea standing right at that corner, observing mommy and her decorating skills. Now, moving on, concerning this cake, I'm going to be asking you two questions, and I'd like you to give me an answer at the very end of the video. Okay, so the first question is, how much can you possibly pay for this kind of cake? Remember that when you're trying to talk about costing, you have to factor in the kind of flavors that we have in. This cake had cookies and cream, red velvet chocolate cake, and had about 3 to 4 different kinds of fillings with the crunchy ones as well. Now, going to when I frosted the cake, I still added up some piping techniques, which means it's going to be using more cream. I added chocolate drips. I added this expensive silk flowers together with the dried flowers, and then some bag inspired paper prints to give it the exact concept that the client had in mind. Some butterflies got on it as well. Now, this cake is a two-tiered, and the sizes are: the bottom side is 9 inches, 3 layers, and the top is 7 inches, 3 layers. So tell me, how much would you pay? The second question is, do you all like the cake?